Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Gina here. First of all, let me say thank you to everybody that has recently liked and followed my business page. Thank you so much. Secondly, thanks to everybody who has shared my business page and my video posts. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. And to all of my new clients, thank you guys as well. Thank you so much. And y'all know how I like to do. Today is going to be travel news you can use, all things Vegas. Y'all know I don't like long videos, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. First of all, I want to talk about something that I'm excited about, and it is the Westin Las Vegas Hotel and Spa. They have become a non-gaming and non-smoking property. I'm excited about that because walking through all of the casinos to get to whatever activities you're partaking in Vegas, walking through those casinos, it burns my nostrils and it causes my nose to bleed. So I'm excited that they are a non-gaming and non-smoking property now, especially a non-smoking property. And I'm excited because there's a possibility there that maybe other properties will follow suit. Who knows? But I'm excited about the possibility. But I'm glad that they are a non-smoking property now. So that's that. And again, that's the Westin Las Vegas Hotel and Spa. They are a non-gaming and non-smoking property. And in place of their gaming floor, they have a restaurant called Jack and Eli. And it will serve classic comfort food and signature cocktails. So that's that. And the second thing I want to talk about is Tuscany Suites and Casino. They've undergone a renovation across their property. And I'm talking about them because I stayed there before. And when I stayed there, the rooms were nice. The suites were nice. Really roomy, full-size refrigerator, microwave, sink, kitchen table, chairs. I mean, the whole nine. It was like an apartment. So if they were nice then, I can imagine with the renovations how nice they are now. And that is an off-strip property, which means that it is more economical for those who don't want to stay on the strip. And it's less noisy there as well. And it's not that far from the strip. They don't have a shuttle service, but the strip is only maybe 10 or 15 minutes walking from the hotel. Another hotel I want to mention to you guys because I absolutely love this hotel off strip too. It's called the Orleans Hotel. And I'm going to say this, if you guys are wanting to bring kids, because Vegas is becoming more kid-friendly. If you want to bring your children to Vegas, I highly recommend this hotel simply because they have a bowling alley, they have an arcade, and they have a movie theater at this hotel. And they have other things too, but those are the three that I really loved when I stayed there. And they do have a shuttle service to the strip. It's scheduled at certain times, but they do have shuttle service to the strip. So keep that in mind. They're on one side of the strip, and the Tuscany Suites and Casino is on the other side of the strip. So those are two off-strip options that you may want to consider. And the next thing I want to talk about is Vegas residencies. And of course, the first one I'm going to talk about is Boyz II Men. Because I love Boyz II Men. See that shirt? See that shirt? Property of Boyz II Men Las Vegas. They have a residency in Vegas. It's at the Mirage, which is Center Strip, and it is worth every dime that you will spend on it. I am not joking. It's not a regular Vegas show. It's very interactive. The guys, you're very participatory with them. They don't just sing and dance. We sing and dance. You have an opportunity to get roses. There's also an opportunity for a meet and greet where you get to talk to them and take a picture with them. So I highly recommend that if you're in Vegas to check Boyz II Men out at the Mirage. Again, it is worth every dime you will spend on it. Also, another person coming to that's going to be doing a residency in Vegas is Lady Gaga. She'll be there later this year. She's going to do 36 shows spread out through 2019 into 2020. So you may want to check her out. And another artist doing a residency there is going to be Ricky Martin. He's doing a series of 12 shows spread out from March through June of this year. And both of their residencies will be at MGM's Park Theater. So you may want to check them out. And the final residency I'm going to mention is Earth, Wind & Fire. I love Earth, Wind & Fire as well. And they're going to be doing a limited Vegas run at the Venetian. It's going to be from May the 2nd through the 12th. Again, that's Earth, Wind & Fire. They're doing a limited Vegas run at the Venetian, May the 2nd through the 12th in Las Vegas. So you may want to check them out as well. Now we're going to move on to the Oakland Raiders. As you know, Las Vegas is their new home. Last year, they broke ground on a 62-acre plot across from Mandalay Bay Resort. The $1.9 billion stadium will seat 65,000 people when it opens in 2 years. So I just want to put that on your mind and keep that before you. And on to activities now. If you've never zip lined before, it is awesome. I did it in Vegas, but I didn't do it on the Strip. I did it in downtown Vegas. They have a zip line on the Vegas Strip now. It's called FlyLink. It's located in the Link Promenade. And it's a series of 10 side-by-side zip lines that'll launch all riders simultaneously. The project costs $20 million. It's 122 feet in the air and 1,080 feet in length. So if you've thought about zip lining, there you go. If you've never thought about it, I just put it on your mind. So keep that in mind. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is the Rolling Stones. They have an interactive exhibit called Exhibitionism at the Venetian as well. And it has been extended through February the 25th of this year. The exhibit includes displays of over 500 original items from the band's archives, a recreation of one of their studios, a film, and more. So these are just some of the things that you can think about if you're wanting to go to Vegas, or if you never thought about going to Vegas. Maybe I put that on your mind. If you're interested, hit me up. I'm very responsive to my messages. Hit me up. I'll get back with you. And to those of you who have shared before, or if you've never shared my videos before, please feel free to share. Thank you guys so much. Let me help you see the world. Let me help you travel. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye-bye.